Good evening. The trial of Fabian Gonzales has wrapped up and the jury will start deliberating his fate on Monday. News 13's Ariana Kraft is live at District Court with a wrap-up of today. Ariana?
The day started with testimony from 10-year-old Victoria Martens' mom, Michelle. She walked the jury through her relationship with Fabian Gonzales and talked about how she started seeing him change as soon as his cousin, Jessica Kelly, came into the picture.
Was there talk about guns and the defendant's brothers having a lot of guns?
Yes.
And did you have a specific concern about that?
Yes.
What was that?
That he, like, if I were just to tell him to go, that he would have his family come back and shoot up my house.
Martens testified in court that she woke up in August 2016 to Jessica Kelly standing over her and asking if she believed in Jesus. That's when she says Kelly hit her in the head with an iron. Martens says she went looking for Victoria but couldn't find her. She says she and Gonzales fled the apartment and called police. It wasn't until later that morning, she said, they realized Victoria was in fact dead. But prosecutors challenged that testimony, getting Martens to confirm that she couldn't be sure what Gonzales was doing the whole night after police alleged Victoria was already dead. They also argued that Michelle Martens knew she was already dead. Then during closing arguments, prosecutors say even if Gonzales didn't actually kill the girl, it was his dangerous lifestyle that led to her murder, and that's why he's charged with reckless child abuse resulting in death.
Using drugs at the apartment on the day of the homicide, engaging in threats of violence related to the fight at the barbecue, opening up the possibility of retaliation, and putting her in the care of Jessica Kelly, knowing Jessica Kelly was violent and or paranoid and under the influence of meth.
The defense claims it was Jessica Kelly who killed and dismembered Victoria. In his closing arguments, defense attorney Stephen Ahrens clung to DNA evidence and told the jury they can't rely on witness testimony.
Neighbors, they've heard that he's charged with murder, and you know, they try to put together their memory. We can't go on human memory of people who are not trained, especially when we have hard science and experienced professions.
The jury will have to deliberate 9 counts in all: the child abuse, tampering with evidence, and conspiracy to tamper with evidence. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Ariana. The jury will begin their deliberations on Monday at 9 a.m. When the verdict is announced, Gonzales is expected to be in the courtroom inside a glass box, double masked with an air purifier, since he has COVID.